Welcome to the Explainer. Look, choosing a Shopify page builder is literally a high-stakes decision. It's the kind of thing that can either skyrocket your sales or completely tank your load times. So today, we're breaking down a really comprehensive, data-backed test of the top 10 Shopify page builders. We've gone ahead and done the heavy lifting for you, all to help you find the exact right fit for your specific business stage, without destroying your site speed in the process.
Okay, let's dive into this. And honestly, I want to challenge you right out of the gate. Before you go and add yet another monthly subscription to your budget, ask yourself, are you absolutely sure you even need a paid page builder? Modern Shopify 2.0 themes are incredibly powerful right out of the box. Plus, when you factor in free built-in tools like Shopify Magic for instantly drafting your text and Shopify SideK for generating simple sections with AI, you might actually already have everything you need for a basic, beautiful setup.
So, here's our agenda. Think of this explainer as a choose-your-own-adventure playbook. We're going to cover the page builder dilemma and test real-world speeds. Then we'll let you zero in on your specific model, whether you're looking at beginners, dropshippers, or scaling brands, before finally wrapping up with how to avoid app bloat.
Section 1. The Page Builder Dilemma. Native tools versus custom builders. And this brilliantly illustrates the real dividing line. Look, if you just need a simple About Us page or a standard testimonial block, save your money. The native tools totally have you covered. But when you really need to break free from your default theme's limits, like building a hyper-custom Facebook ad landing page or a highly unique long-form advertorial, well, that's exactly when spending money on a specialized app becomes the right investment.
Moving on to Section 2, the need for speed, real-world testing. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the incredible divide in real-world performance. Every app claims to be lightning fast, but when you actually test them on a media-rich mobile landing page, the data tells a totally different story. You've got lightweight apps like Section Store scoring up in the 90s, while the feature-heavy visual editors down at the bottom like PagePilot are sitting in the 60s. So why is that gap so massive?
Well, it honestly all comes down to architecture. The absolute winners of this speed test are what we call native solutions. See, tools like Section Store and G-Theme Sections don't layer some clunky external visual editor right over your site. Instead, they just inject clean HTML and CSS directly into the theme you already have. This is absolutely crucial because it protects your core web vitals from those heavy third-party JavaScript libraries that just drag performance down.
All right, Section 3, Beginners and Bootstrappers.
Okay, be honest, do you ever sit down to build a store and just instantly suffer from blank page syndrome? It's so overwhelming. If you find yourself relating to this quote, you are definitely not alone. For this Stage 1 persona, we really need tools that completely eliminate friction and bypass that steep learning curve. So let's compare our top beginner picks. If you're looking for a totally frictionless automated setup wizard, CreateMyStore.ai is phenomenal. It's basically a store in a box. It uses AI to instantly generate your theme, write your copy, and it even natively preloads over 40 essential marketing apps from the Vital suite, all while holding on to a solid 85 out of 100 speed score. But on the other hand, if you want a more hands-on, intuitive Canvas experience, eComposer is for sure your safest bet. It's that classic 4.9 star rated visual drag-and-drop editor that's absolutely packed with pre-made templates.
But hey, what if you're a strict bootstrapper who absolutely refuses to pay monthly fees? Well, you've got two incredible native options. Theme Sections and Blocks is 100% free forever, letting you drop standard blocks right into your theme. On the flip side, Section Store operates more like a premium marketplace. You just pay a one-time fee, usually around $9, for a really premium, cleanly coded section. It completely solves app bloat. And remember, it secured that ultimate 92 out of 100 speed score.
Section 4, Dropshippers and Rapid Testers. Now, if this sounds like you, then pixel-perfect design honestly takes a back seat. When a massive new trend hits TikTok, you literally cannot afford to spend a week meticulously designing a landing page. You need aggressive conversion tactics and apps that let you launch, test, and adapt within hours.
Enter Atlas. You guys, this isn't just a builder, it's a full-on advertorial engine. Atlas uses AI to instantly generate direct response marketing copy for those highly effective pre-sale pages and top 5 listicles. And what makes it a real powerhouse is that it natively integrates bundle upsells directly into the layout. So it essentially consolidates your tech stack, replacing your page builder, your bundling app, and your copywriter, saving you a ton of money on extra plugins. Let's move to and see how this builds. Take a look at PagePilot. Talk about an extreme speed hack. You literally just paste a raw, messy AliExpress link into the app.
In under 60 seconds, the AI scrapes the data, completely rewrites the copy to actually convert, imports your images, and pushes it live to Shopify with one click. It automates the absolute most tedious part of dropshipping. Just keep a close eye on your media optimization because it does only score about a 65 out of 100 for speed.
Section 5. Scaling brands and enterprise. For these growing brands, the goal isn't just throwing a quick page live to see what sticks. It's really about maximizing the average order value of every single visitor that lands on the site and managing some pretty complex design systems without breaking anything. Our top picks here really serve two distinct needs. Think of Pagefly as the super reliable Swiss Army knife. If your stack includes complex apps like Judge.me or Klaviyo, Pagefly offers unmatched third-party integrations to make sure everything plays nicely together. Plus, they have a wildly generous free tier. Foxify, on the other hand, is your mathematical, data-driven choice. It boasts over 200 industry-tailored templates that are literally engineered around proven conversion data.
So the crucial point is, at scale, standard builders just break. They can't handle it. If you're an agency or a design-led team, Instant is a total game changer because it features a direct Figma to Shopify integration, entirely bypassing that notoriously clunky developer handoff. And if you're a massive Shopify Plus merchant, Shogun is the industry standard. It gives you incredibly strict brand governance, letting you build reusable code snippets and sync your content across hundreds of regional storefronts in a snap.
Section 6. Avoiding app bloats.
Listen, even the absolute best page builder on this list becomes a massive liability if you let it bog down your customer experience. App bloat is what happens when you accumulate all these heavy third-party scripts that just sit on your theme, silently dragging down your load speed. And when speed drops, so do your search engine rankings and your sales. Frankly, it's the #1 thing that keeps web developers awake at night.
To stop this dead in its tracks, we use the anti-bloat playbook. Rule 1. Keep your homepage native. Only break out the heavy visual builders for specific campaign landing pages. Rule 2. Always verify your mobile layout, because let's face it, that's where your buyers actually are. And Rule 3. If you test an app and delete it, it almost always leaves messy residual code behind. So the absolute smartest trick you can use is to duplicate your live theme before testing a new app. If it doesn't work out, just revert to your duplicate. Boom, zero abandoned code left behind.
All right, let's wrap this up with a really quick, punchy look at our 3 ultimate winners based on the specific operational bottlenecks we've talked about today. For the absolute best app integrations and a killer free tier to get started, you're going to want to go with Pagefly. If you want all the friction completely removed with the best instant AI store setup, CreateMyStore.ai is your winner. And if you demand blazing fast speeds and absolutely refuse to pay recurring monthly fees, Section Store takes the crown. I'm going to leave you with this final, truly provocative thought to chew on. Is your current page speed quietly killing your conversion rate? Well, you now have the data to stop guessing. It's time to match your specific business stage to the exact right tool. Ditch the app bloat once and for all, and start building high-converting pages today. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and happy building!